A 4% slip in Bitcoin is forecast for tomorrow based on 30 rates data. To begin, let's check the chart and see how things are shaping up. As of now, Bitcoin has moved down 0.70% in 24 hours and is currently at $87,920.90. Let's explore what the experts are forecasting. 30 Rates thinks the asset may decline toward $84,395 tomorrow, with a potential drop of 4%. Traders Union expects Bitcoin to trade lower toward $85,397.04, an estimated drop of 2.90%. Crypto Predictions points out it might fall to $87,480.14, roughly 0.50% lower than now. A different forecast by CoinCodex shows Bitcoin could move upward to $88,809.66, a projected increase close to 1%. Finally, CoinDataFlow sees $93,980.10 by tomorrow, 6.90% above current value. This is the most profitable forecast among those presented. You've now seen 5 forecasts. Let's move ahead. The predictions are in. Here's how each might perform. Taking all 5 forecasts into account, we could see the price move anywhere between a drop of 4% and a rise of 6.90%, depending on the analyst. That means CoinDataFlow is set to achieve the highest return with 6.90% rise in value by tomorrow. It's clear you could earn between $5 and $69 for every $1,000 you invest. When focusing on probabilities, Crypto Predictions has the strongest forecast, carrying a 74.80% chance of success. With all forecasts taken together, I've produced a consensus outlook. The consensus forecast points to Bitcoin staying around $88,012.39 with little movement. Let's take a closer look. The consensus scenario highlights a 0.10% gain under today's conditions. By that same margin, your capital might also go up. For $1,000 invested, this scenario might mean a gain close to $1. Based on the forecasts, the probability of this consensus outcome being realized is near 78.40%. Right now, let's look at how analysts expect the price to move over the next 3 days. 30 Rates believes the chart points to a decline. According to Meanwhile Traders Union, the market is likely to trend downward. Also, Crypto Predictions signals weakness, pointing to a fall. CoinCodex describes Bitcoin as following a rising course. In line with this, additionally, CoinDataFlow projects continued growth. By aligning the forecasts, the consensus points to Bitcoin holding its ground without major changes in the short term. So, the shared outcome highlights that the majority see Bitcoin falling. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Let's check them against yesterday's price. By the close, the price stood at $86,669.40. Only 1 out of 5 analysts got the direction right. The most accurate forecast was made by 30 Rates. Now let's set it in order. The daily range included just 1 prediction. Looking at ROI, only 1 prediction stayed above 0. And now, take a look at the table. All verified results together. Looking at performance, the forecast probability for CoinPrice forecast was 77.10%, with $2,947.60 accuracy and minus 3.20% ROI. Look at the performance. Who seems to have captured the trend most clearly? Let's see how tomorrow's predicted profitability looks when compared with a few other assets. Bitcoin isn't on top in this comparison since Ethereum currently leads with 3.20% potential growth. Here, Bitcoin is shown next to 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended profitability table and full analyst statistics will be released soon on my website and Telegram. Before you go, hit subscribe to stay aligned with tomorrow's update. Have a good one.